Today we are building an AI review request system for local businesses. It works for dentists, cleaners, salons, contractors, restaurants, and any service business where real customer reviews affect trust. The system watches completed jobs, prepares a personalized Gmail draft, and keeps the owner in control before anything is sent. Here is the finished workflow. Google Sheets stores completed jobs. Make watches the sheet. A filter skips rows that are not ready. OpenAI prepares the safe message data. A router chooses between a review request draft and a service recovery draft. Gmail creates the draft, and Sheets updates the status so the customer is not handled twice. Reviews directly affect local businesses. When someone searches for a dentist, cleaner, salon, contractor, or restaurant, the review profile can decide who gets the call. The ethical goal is not to fake reputation. The goal is to make sure real customers are politely reminded after real work is complete. Make is included because it is the automation tool in the middle. Google Sheets does not automatically call OpenAI by itself. Gmail does not know when a job row is complete. Make watches the row, sends the right fields to OpenAI, creates the Gmail draft, and writes the result back into the sheet. Start with the official pages. Use Makes Help Center for scenarios and AI agents. OpenAI's Quick Start for API keys. Gmail Help for filters and labels. Google Sheets for the spreadsheet. And Google Business Profile Help for the review link. Product screens change, so always verify the current page while building. This is the official Make Help page for an email-triggered AI agent. We are not copying that exact build, but the concept is the same. Make watches an event, runs an AI step, and then performs an action. In our review system, the action is creating a Gmail draft, not sending automatically. Make calls a workflow a scenario. A scenario is a chain of modules. A module is one app step, like Google Sheets, OpenAI, or Gmail. If you're new to Make, this is the beginner idea to understand before building anything. Each module receives data from the step before it. The Google Business Profile Help page is important for safety. It explains how to create a review link, and it also warns that reviews must reflect a genuine experience. Do not offer rewards, do not post for the customer, and do not use this system to pressure customers. Google Sheets is the simple database for this build. A database just means a place where rows are stored. For an average user, a spreadsheet is easier to inspect than a custom app. The owner can see who was contacted, what draft was created, and whether service recovery is needed. Create a sheet called Completed Jobs. Add these columns before opening Make. Completed at customer name, customer email, service, job status, feedback rating, feedback notes, review status, review link, draft link, private follow-up status, and notes. Keep the column names stable after mapping. In Google Business Profile, copy the official review link. Paste that link into the review link column for completed job rows. This is the link the Gmail draft will include. Use the real business link only after testing with fake rows. OpenAI API is what Make uses to call the model automatically. This is separate from typing into ChatGPT manually. The API key is a private credential, like a password for software. Make stores it in the OpenAI connection, so the workflow can run without you opening ChatGPT. In OpenAI platform, create a project API key for this workflow. Name it Make Review Requests. Copy it once. Paste it into the Make OpenAI connection, and never show the real key on camera. If a key is exposed, delete it and create a new one. In Make, create a scenario named Review Request AI Safe Routing. The scenario has 6 main parts: Google Sheets watch rows, a completed job filter, OpenAI route feedback, a router, Gmail create draft, and Google Sheets update row. Add Google Sheets, watch rows. Choose the completed job spreadsheet and the job sheet tab. Set the trigger to new or updated rows. While testing, limit it to 1 row. Trigger means the event that starts the automation. Add a filter after the sheets trigger. The filter should pass only rows where job status equals completed, customer email is not empty, review status is empty, and review link is not empty. This avoids duplicate requests and stops broken rows from continuing. Add the OpenAI module. Send it the customer name, email, service, job status, feedback rating, feedback notes, and review link. Use a low-cost model available in your account and set temperature around 0.2. Low temperature means less creative variation and more consistent routing. Paste this prompt into the OpenAI module. The plain English rule is simple. Ask real completed customers politely. Never fake or reward reviews. Do not selectively ask only happy customers. And if the row shows an unresolved complaint, prepare a private service recovery draft first. This is what a good AI result looks like. JSON is structured text with named fields. Make and read each key, like route, email subject, email body, review status, and private follow-up needed, then map those fields into Gmail and Sheets. Add a router after OpenAI. A router means a fork in the automation. One path creates the normal review request draft for completed customers. The other path creates a private service recovery draft when there is an unresolved complaint. This is not for hiding negative reviews. It is for fixing service issues first. For the review request path, add Gmail, create a draft, map to the customer email. Set the subject to a short thank you message. Put the AI email body in the body field and include the review link. Use create a draft, not send email. For the service recovery path, create a private follow-up draft instead. The goal is to fix the customer issue, not to stop the customer from reviewing. The draft should acknowledge the problem and ask how the business can correct it. After Gmail creates the draft, update the original Google Sheets row. Set review status to drafted for review requests or service recovery needed for unresolved issues. Save the Gmail draft link or message ID if Make provides one. This prevents duplicate messages. Click Run once in Make and use fake rows first. Watch each module turn green. Open every module output and check the Sheets row, filter result, OpenAI JSON, router path, Gmail draft, and updated review status. Fix mappings before using real customer data. After the test, open Gmail and the sheet. The draft should be addressed to the right customer. The review link should be correct, and the sheet should show the new status. If the wrong email, wrong link, or wrong row is mapped, stop and fix it before continuing. This system must be used carefully. Ask only real customers. Do not buy reviews. Do not write reviews for customers. Do not offer a reward for positive reviews. Do not selectively ask only happy customers. Keep drafts for owner review until the business has checked many real outputs. The common mistakes are easy to avoid. Sending automatically too early, processing the same row twice, using the wrong review link, exposing an OpenAI API key, filtering only happy customers, and testing only one path. Test the review path and the service recovery path before launch. That is the complete system. A completed job row starts the workflow, Make connects the tools, OpenAI prepares structured message data, Gmail creates the draft, and Google Sheets records the status. The owner still reviews every message, and the system asks real customers ethically.